Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Wrike. Let's dive into their core functionalities and see how they stack up. Notion provides an incredibly versatile digital workspace, allowing you to build custom systems for almost anything, from personal notes to complex team wikis. Wrike, on the other hand, is purpose-built for project management, offering robust features tailored for teams needing structured task tracking and detailed reporting. We will explore their strengths to help you decide which platform best suits your needs. When considering key features, Notion's strength lies in its unparalleled flexibility. You can create custom databases, build intricate knowledge bases, and manage content with ease, making it perfect for those who love to tailor their tools. Wrike, conversely, offers powerful, out-of-the-box solutions for project managers, including dynamic Gantt charts, detailed resource management, and comprehensive reporting. It's designed to handle the intricacies of large-scale projects, ensuring every task is accounted for and tracked efficiently across your team. Collaboration is crucial, and both platforms offer strong capabilities. Notion allows for real-time editing, comments, and easy sharing of pages, fostering a collaborative environment for diverse tasks. Wrike takes collaboration a step further with advanced features like built-in proofing, approval workflows, and robust reporting, which are essential for complex team projects. Regarding integrations, Notion connects with hundreds of apps, while Wrike boasts over 400 integrations with leading business tools, ensuring it fits well within existing tech stacks and streamlines operations across departments. Finally, let's look at pricing and scalability. Notion offers a generous free personal plan and paid options starting at about $8 per user per month, making it accessible for individuals and small teams. Wrike also has a free plan for up to 5 users, with paid plans beginning at approximately $9.80 per user per month. Notion scales effectively for teams seeking a highly adaptable workspace, while Wrike is built to support large enterprises with complex project management demands, offering advanced security and administrative controls for extensive organizational growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.